If you love working on cars or want to make your garage setup smarter and faster, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring 20 new automotive tools on Amazon that make work effortless. From next-gen diagnostic devices to time-saving repair gadgets, these tools are designed to boost your efficiency and precision. Stay tuned. Number 16 and 19 are absolute game changers you won't want to miss. Vernier. Number 1. 64-piece socket set, SAE Metric. Every mechanic needs a dependable socket set, and this 64-piece kit is a total lifesaver. With both SAE and Metric sizes, it covers every bolt and nut you'll ever face in the garage. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it delivers lasting performance. The organized carrying case keeps each socket in place, making it easy to grab and go. A must-have for serious mechanics and DIY car lovers. Number 2. Vyper Mechanic Chair Heavy Duty. Long hours in the garage just got easier with the Vyper Heavy Duty Mechanic Chair. Built with a strong welded steel frame and a thick padded seat, it gives you comfort and durability in one. The smooth caster wheels let you glide around your workspace with ease, and the adjustable height ensures the perfect position for every task. Say goodbye to sore knees and back strain. This chair is built to keep you comfortable while you work. Number 3. Foldable Mechanic Matte Magnetic Tool Slots. Working under cars has never been more comfortable thanks to the Foldable Mechanic Mat. With thick foam padding and a waterproof design, it keeps you cushioned and clean while working on the floor. The foldable structure makes storage super easy, and the built-in magnetic tool slots hold your wrenches and bolts in place. No more losing small parts under the car. This mat keeps your workspace organized and your body pain-free. Number 4. Brake Caliper Hooks. 4-pack small, but incredibly handy. These brake caliper hooks make brake jobs safer and more efficient. They securely hang your calipers during servicing, preventing hose strain and accidental damage. Crafted from high-strength steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, they're made to last. The rubber-tipped ends protect parts from scratches, while the bright color keeps them visible in your toolbox. Compact and affordable, these hooks are a must-have for anyone working on brakes regularly. Number 5. Innova OBD2 Scan Tool Bidirectional. The Innova OBD2 Scan T tool is like having a personal car doctor in your hands. It reads error codes, provides real-time diagnostics, and even performs bidirectional tests to activate components like fans or fuel pumps. The bright, easy-to-read screen and Bluetooth connectivity make checking your car's health quick and simple. Whether you're a pro mechanic or a weekend tinkerer, this scan tool helps you diagnose problems faster and save on repair costs. Number 6. 26-piece Ratcheting Wrench Set. Speed up every repair with this 26-piece ratcheting wrench set. Each wrench features a fine-tooth mechanism that lets you turn fasteners without removing the tool, perfect for tight spaces. With both SAE and Metric sizes, you'll always have the right fit for any job. The polished chrome finish resists rust, and the sturdy case keeps everything neatly stored. Once you try these smooth, quick wrenches, you'll never go back to traditional ones again. Number 7. 31-piece Allen Hex Key Set. This 31-piece Allen Hex Key Set covers every size you'll ever need for vehicle maintenance. Made from heat-treated steel, these keys provide a precise, secure grip on every turn. Both metric and standard sizes come neatly organized in a folding case that's easy to carry and label-friendly. Ideal for tightening engine covers, assembling parts, or handling interior work, these hex keys offer reliability and precision that make them a workshop essential. Number 8. 152-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. When it comes to intricate car electronics or dashboard repairs, this 152-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit has your back. Packed with every bit type you could need, it's perfect for working on sensors, infotainment systems, or control modules. The magnetic tips hold screws firmly, and the ergonomic handle gives you great comfort and grip. Compact and organized in a durable case, this kit turns detailed, delicate work into a smooth and easy task. Number 9. Snap Ring Pliers Set 4-piece. This 4-piece snap ring pliers set makes removing and installing circlips effortless. Designed for both internal and external rings, these pliers feature strong, heat-treated steel for maximum durability and precision. The interchangeable tips allow quick changes for different applications, while the cushioned handles provide a secure, comfortable grip. Perfect for wheel hubs, transmissions, or suspension work, these pliers make a tough job easy and controlled, an absolute must for professional mechanics. Number 10. 6-piece breaker bar set. Rotating head. Tackle those stubborn, rusted bolts with ease using this 6-piece breaker bar set. Each bar is made from heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel, providing exceptional strength and torque. The rotating head design gives you flexibility and control, even in tight spots. With multiple lengths to choose from, you'll always have the right leverage for the job. From lug nuts to engine bolts, these breaker bars deliver raw power and precision every time you need it. Number 11. 86-piece tap and die threading set. This 86-piece tap and die threading set is a lifesaver for restoring stripped threads or creating new ones. Made from hardened alloy steel, it delivers durability and precision for every project. With both metric and SAE sizes included, you'll always have the right tool for the job. The adjustable tap wrench and die handles make threading smooth and consistent. Neatly organized in a sturdy case, this set is perfect for mechanics, fabricators, and serious DIYers. Number 12. Wire stripper and cutter tool. The wire stripper and cutter tool is a small but essential gadget for any automotive electrician. It strips, cuts, and crimps wires with clean precision, saving time and frustration on electrical repairs. Its ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort and control during long sessions, while the adjustable stop lets you strip wires perfectly every time. Whether you're wiring lights, speakers, or sensors, this tool gives you fast, accurate results without damaging delicate wires. Number 13. Hose pinch. Off pliers, 4-piece. Avoid messy coolant or fuel spills with this 4-piece set of hose pinch off pliers. Made from reinforced nylon, these pliers safely clamp hoses without cutting or damaging them. They're heat-resistant, non-conductive, and ideal for blocking off radiator, vacuum, or fuel lines during repairs. Each size fits different hose diameters, giving you full versatility. Lightweight and easy to use, they help keep your workspace clean and leak-free, perfect for both professionals and weekend mechanics. Number 14. Digital torque wrench. 3/8 drive. Take precision to the next level with the digital torque wrench. Featuring a 3/8 drive and a digital LCD screen, it gives accurate torque readings down to the decimal. Audible and visual alerts let you know when you've reached your target torque, preventing over-tightening. Built from durable chrome vanadium steel, it's perfect for engines, wheels, and suspension components. With memory settings and reversible ratcheting, this wrench delivers power, precision, and peace of mind every time. Number 15. Vernier Caliper. High precision. When accuracy matters, the high-precision Vernier Caliper is the tool you need. It measures internal, external, and depth dimensions with millimeter-perfect precision. The smooth sliding design and clear scale markings make readings effortless, while the stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you're checking brake rotor thickness, bolt diameters, or spacer widths, this caliper guarantees reliable measurements every time. Compact, durable, and easy to read, an essential measuring tool for every automotive workspace. Number 16. Digital tire pressure gauge, 200 PS. I get perfect tire pressure readings every time with this digital tire pressure gauge rated up to 200 PSI. The backlit LCD screen and precise sensor deliver instant, accurate results, even in low light. Its ergonomic handle and rubberized grip make it comfortable to use, while the durable construction ensures it can handle any garage environment. Perfect for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, it helps extend tire life and improve fuel efficiency effortlessly. Number 17. Tire tread. Depth gauge. Dial type. Keep your tires safe and road ready with this dial type tire tread. Depth gauge. Designed for quick, accurate measurements, it helps you track tire wear and replace tires before they become unsafe. The easy-to-read dial provides precise readings, while the compact design fits comfortably in your hand or toolbox. Whether you're a professional technician or a weekend driver, this tool gives you confidence that your tires are in perfect condition for every journey. Number 18. Coolant Pressure Tester Kit 19-piece. The 19-piece Coolant Pressure Tester Kit is your go-to for diagnosing leaks in the cooling system. It includes multiple adapters that fit most car models, allowing you to test radiators, caps, and reservoirs with ease. The pressure gauge gives accurate readings to help identify leaks before they cause damage. Packed neatly in a heavy-duty carrying case, this kit saves time and ensures your cooling system stays in top shape, a must-have for any serious mechanic. Number 19. Digital Multimeter Compact but powerful. This digital multimeter is essential for diagnosing automotive electrical systems. It accurately measures voltage, current, and resistance, helping you troubleshoot fuses, wiring, and battery issues fast. The bright LCD screen provides clear readings, while the durable rubber casing protects it from drops and shocks. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for quick on-the-go diagnostics or detailed inspections. Reliable, efficient, and easy to use, this multimeter is a true mechanic's best friend. Number 20. 2.5-ton low-profile floor jack. Lifting your car safely has never been easier with this 2.5-ton low-profile floor jack. Designed with a durable steel frame and smooth hydraulic system, it offers powerful lifting for low-clearance vehicles. The dual pump mechanism provides quick lift action, while the padded saddle protects your car's underside. With its stable wide base and smooth rolling wheels, it's both safe and easy to maneuver. Ideal for garages or roadside repairs, this jack is built for strength and reliability. And that wraps up our look at 20 new automotive tools on Amazon that make work effortless. From advanced diagnostic scanners to durable workshop gear, these tools truly level up your garage game. If you found something useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome automotive finds.